In a significant development for the cryptocurrency world, Pi Network has officially been listed on the Onus exchange. This marks a major milestone in the journey of Pi Network, a project that has garnered widespread attention for its decentralized approach to digital currency. As Pi Network grows in strength, more and more exchanges are beginning to recognize the potential of this emerging digital asset, capitalizing on the growing excitement surrounding its future. Cryptocurrency world, Pi Network has officially been listed on the Onus exchange. This marks a major milestone in the journey of Pi Network, a project that has garnered widespread attention for its decentralized approach to digital currency. As Pi Network grows in strength, more and more exchanges are beginning to recognize the potential of this emerging digital asset, capitalizing on the growing excitement surrounding its future. Pi Network's growing influence in the cryptocurrency market. Pi Network, which has amassed over 60 million users worldwide, is steadily gaining recognition as a major player in the cryptocurrency space. The project, which started as a mobile mining platform, has attracted millions of users with its promise of a decentralized and inclusive ecosystem. As Pi Network nears the launch of its open mainnet in December 2024, it has become increasingly clear that the network is poised to make a significant impact on the global cryptocurrency landscape. The listing of Pi Coin on Onus Exchange is just one example of how the project's influence is expanding. While the coin has yet to be fully launched on the open market, its recognition by established exchanges signals that Pi Network is being taken seriously by industry leaders. This move is indicative of the growing interest in Pi Coin and its potential to become a key digital asset in the future. Onus Exchange, a major endorsement for Pi Network. Onus Exchange, a leading cryptocurrency trading platform, has now officially listed Pi Coin. This development not only highlights the increasing recognition of Pi Network's potential, but also reflects a broader trend in the cryptocurrency market where exchanges are seeking to capitalize on the growing hype surrounding the project. Onus, known for its robust platform and wide user base, is one of the first major exchanges to give Pi Coin the attention it deserves, and it is expected that more exchanges will follow suit in the coming months. This listing is a powerful endorsement for Pi Network and its community, who have eagerly awaited news of the coin's formal introduction to the market. As the open mainnet launch draws nearer, the listing on Onus Exchange sets the stage for the mass adoption of Pi Coin and its integration into the global cryptocurrency ecosystem. Why Pi Network is gaining traction. So what makes Pi Network so appealing to both users and exchanges alike? The answer lies in its innovative approach to cryptocurrency mining and its vision for a decentralized financial system. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which require expensive mining hardware, Pi Network allows users to mine coins directly from their smartphones. This inclusive model has made Pi Network accessible to millions of people around the world who may not have the resources to participate in traditional crypto mining. In addition to its unique mining model, Pi Network is built on a strong foundation of decentralization. The project's vision is to create a global, peer-to-peer network where users can transact and exchange value without relying on centralized institutions. This approach has resonated with people looking for an alternative to the traditional financial system, making Pi Network a powerful force in the world of digital finance. The future of Pi Network and its impact on the crypto market. As Pi Network continues to grow and gain recognition from major exchanges like Onus, it is becoming increasingly clear that the project is on track to play a major role in the future of cryptocurrency. The upcoming open mainnet launch is expected to be a game changer, with Pi Coin becoming fully tradable and usable in the global market. With a solid user base, a growing ecosystem, and increasing institutional interest, Pi Network has the potential to disrupt the cryptocurrency market and offer a viable alternative to traditional financial systems. Furthermore, The listing of Pi coin on exchanges like Onus is expected to spark a ripple effect, with more platforms offering Pi coin trading as its popularity continues to rise. As Pi network moves closer to the open mainnet phase, we can expect more exchanges to integrate Pi coin into their platforms, providing users with greater access and liquidity. What does the listing of Pi coin mean for the future? The listing of Pi coin on Onus exchange is not just a milestone for the project, it is a reflection of the growing acceptance of Pi network. Don't forget to click subscribe